used to be a time when high-performance lighting was only available in large downlights that were as much glare bombs as they were light sources. Not anymore. GM Lighting has created a family of luminaires that are as performance-driven as they are unobtrusive, and they feature selectable color temperatures. MiniTask features low-heat, low-profile 120-volt lighting in a collection of standard and adjustable 1-inch and 2-inch trim configurations that come in fixed, round, or square trim. All trims are available in white and black. Trimless options are available in 2-inch versions that feature mud-in installation, enabling an unobtrusive look that blends into any ceiling texture or color. Even though the fixture itself is small, the variety we present in this lighting family is huge. Let's check it out. Let's first talk adjustability. MiniTask features a 120-volt 1-inch 5-watt and 2-inch 8-watt adjustable, dimmable, round trim or trimless luminaires that are 90+ CRI and able to adjust from 2700K to 5000K. MiniTask Adjustable is IC rated, Title 24 J8, and is ENERGY STAR approved. With all of these incredible specs, you'd think that MiniTask Adjustable would be equally impressive when it performs. And you'd be right. MiniTask Adjustable is perfect in highlighting wall art, sculpture, or providing ambient focal points that direct light exactly where you want it, without glare or bright spots. MiniTask Fixed Trim is a high-performance miniature downlight that is available as round trim, square trim, or trimless, without requiring a large recessed can to mount to the ceiling. The trimless option is available for the 2-inch MiniTask, which enables the fixture to blend right into the ceiling. The perforated mud-in collar makes installation a breeze. MiniTask 1-inch is a 120-volt 7-watt downlight that is capable of up to 500 lumens per fixture. All sizes and configurations feature color temperature sensitivity to suit your personal needs. This switch enables you to command the ambiance by selecting from a wide range of colors. A warm, incandescent-like 2700K for a cozy home feel, neutral tones of 3000K and 3500K for mixed-use spaces, or cooler 4000K or 5000K white light color for task-oriented environments. All of our MiniTask fixtures come with a 5-year GM Lighting warranty and are wet location rated for indoor covered ceiling applications. And did I mention MiniTask is so easy to install? MiniTask easily connects to its above-ceiling junction box with its modular connector. So that's MiniTask, miniature small footprint lighting with what will be a huge following. This fixture has the potential to illuminate so many interiors that it's limited only by your imagination. Thanks for watching.